Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by checking device specifics so you know where subtitle controls live. Navigate to settings accessibility or audio right away. This reveals closed captions or subtitles. Once done, use the remote menu or a dedicated CC button to access the toggle. Make sure the TV input is showing live TV, an app, or the media file you want to change, because some apps manage subtitles separately. Knowing the model and where accessibility sits speeds the rest. Next, focus on the app or source that is producing the subtitles. Play any content and bring up the player controls. Many apps hide subtitle toggles while paused, so toggle while playing. Select subtitles or closed captions from the track list and choose off or none. If you see multiple subtitle languages or embedded tracks, explicitly select off for each and verify the audio track remains set to your preferred language. This prevents apps from re-enabling captions automatically. Finally, if subtitles persist, return to TV accessibility and switch closed captions off at the system level. Some sources ignore app settings otherwise. Once you turn System CC off, restart the app or power cycle the TV to clear cached settings. If captions still appear, reset subtitle preferences inside the app, update the app or TV firmware, and then test again. Troubleshooting tip: if captions persist only for recorded or USB media, re-encode or remove embedded subtitle tracks, because system toggles may not affect hard-burned captions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.